Pretty magical. Love it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We have been decorating for Christmas literally all day. My dad has all the Christmas lights hung up on his house and I've been helping my mom decorate. We got her tree up, I'll show you that in just a second. But today I wanted to show you how we are making this super simple garland that we got from Hobby Lobby look really fancy and fun. This garland was like the $20 pre-lit garland that we got for half off. It was 10 bucks and it's just battery powered lights that are woven around it, and that's how it came. But we found such pretty things that we're adding to it and it just looks so cute. So today I'm showing you what we're doing to make this garland look fancy. We were gonna buy garland that was like already decked out and just hang it up, but they literally charge over $100 for fancy garland, and to be honest, it's nothing that we can't do ourselves. And it's nothing you can't do yourself, okay? Don't buy that stuff. You can do better. And honestly, the stuff that we found matches her decorations just perfect versus if we would have bought like the pre-decorated stuff. Like, yeah, it goes well, but it doesn't match nearly as well as the stuff that we got. So let me show you. Here is where we're putting the garland. She has this really long staircase that curves around, and it's right when you walk in her front door, so we had to really go all out with this. I gotta show you from the front though. We were going to make our own bows, but we found these pre-made bows at Hobby Lobby and they were half off and they were just as cute as whatever we were gonna make, plus it just saved us some work, so we went ahead and bought 3 of these. We have 3 strips of the pre-lit garland, and this is the first one that's already decorated. We just attached this using fishing line. Actually, Andrew attached it, obviously. This is the last piece of garland that I haven't started working on yet. We just have it hung, and then I added this big, I don't know what it's called. What is it called? What are we calling these things? Coolness. What are they called? Twigs? Picks? We're adding these big picks to every piece of garland. So we're kind of creating a pattern, but this is a centerpiece for every strip. So I went ahead and put that in there, but otherwise this is just plain $20 garland from Hobby Lobby that we got half off. And it actually would be kind of thinner if you fluffed it so it's all the way full around, but we just fluffed everything so it's facing forward because that's all you can see when you're at the bottom of the stairway anyways. And this is how we attach the ribbon, just with like twisting it. And then if you look really closely here, you can see the fishing line that we used to attach it to the stairs. But that actually worked out really well because you can't even see it. We originally were going to use zip ties, which would have been a lot more noticeable. So the fishing line actually worked out really nicely. Here is one of the picks that we're using. This one was $1 full price, but we got it half off, so it was literally 50 cents. And then this is the sparkle version of that one. I don't know if you can really tell with the carpet though. How cute. And then we got enough of these silver sparkly berries that we're able to put 2 in each piece of garland. Basically what I've learned from all these years of following all these home decor bloggers is that in order for something to look extra Christmassy and fancy, you just have to cram enough crap into it and eventually it looks really nice. So we're actually using just ornament hooks to secure everything. We just undo the hook part of it and then I just use it as like a little twisty tie and it blends in perfect with the garland. So I'm just going to show you how I'm putting everything together. For these little silverberry picks, they actually have a bendy stem to them. With some of the bigger ones, the stem is very thick, so you don't want to bend those. So that's where these ornament hooks are coming in. But the silverberries are actually pretty easy because I can just bend it right in and then I fluff the branches to cover up where I stuck it in. Same with these little 50-cent picks. Again, really easy to bend the stem on these, so I'm just saving myself some trouble and just shoving them in that way. Once the picks are wrapped around with their little stem, I just fluff the branches around it to blend it in with the garland a little bit more. Same with the berries. And then it kind of turns out like this. And you would never know that we didn't buy it this way. I'm gonna keep going and then I'll show you the finished thing. We just finished putting batteries in all of the garland. These are really cool because they have little timers on them, or you can just have them constantly on. Right now we just have them on the on setting until we're gonna do the timer tomorrow. Let's see what it looks like.
You never want to measure that, right?
Pretty magical. Love it. I gotta show you. So basically, it's all about the fluffing, we realized. You just have to fluff it the right way. Oh, and these, I added these. These are just little fun ornaments that my mom found, but we just hung them. We didn't really need to pin them because they just hang there nicely. And these branches are actually pretty sturdy, so I don't think they're gonna fall. So we just pinned them in, fluffed, and it gave the garland a whole new look, but with the lights, it just looks so fancy. And then it coordinates with her tree. I gotta show you the tree. They're watching BattleBots, so just ignore the background. It all matches, and now tomorrow, we're gonna decorate the front porch because all of our time was spent on the garlands and the Christmas tree. But to be fair, we had to make a Hobby Lobby run. So that took up some time. Yes. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time, okay? Okay. Bye. Bye.